Who decides what constitutes cruel and unusual punishment? Have you ever wondered who gets to decide what counts as cruel and unusual punishment? This is a significant question in the realm of justice and individual rights. The answer primarily lies within the judicial system, particularly the courts. In the United States, the Eighth Amendment of the Constitution plays a key role in this discussion. It prohibits cruel and unusual punishments, but what does that really mean? The interpretation of what is considered cruel and unusual evolves over time. Courts, especially the United States Supreme Court, assess these standards through a concept known as evolving standards of decency. This means they look at what society currently views as acceptable or unacceptable. For instance, punishments that cause unnecessary pain or humiliation are often scrutinized. Cruel and unusual punishment refers to penalties that go beyond what is necessary for legitimate government purposes, such as deterrence or public safety. It includes punishments that are excessively harsh or degrading, serving no reasonable goal. The cruel part focuses on needless suffering, while unusual indicates that the punishment is not commonly accepted in society. From a libertarian viewpoint, the emphasis is on protecting individual rights. Libertarians argue that punishments should respect human dignity and not serve arbitrary state interests. They oppose practices like torture and any punishment that violates individual rights. They believe that the state's power to punish should be limited and justified. For example, some libertarians view capital punishment as an overreach of state power. They argue that the state can incapacitate dangerous individuals through imprisonment without resorting to execution. Others may accept capital punishment only as a last resort to uphold justice when no alternative exists. Libertarians stress that, if individuals give up their right to self-defense and trust the state with the power to punish, the state must administer justice fairly. Punishments that are cruel and unusual undermine this trust and violate the principle of equal protection under the law. Ultimately, the decision on what constitutes cruel and unusual punishment is made through legal interpretation by courts. This interpretation is guided by constitutional text, historical context, and evolving societal standards. Libertarianism adds an important layer by insisting on strict protection of individual rights and skepticism of excessive state power. This perspective ensures that justice is administered in a way that respects human dignity and equality.